Welcome back to Bedroom Betterment, the podcast dedicated to improving your sexual health and well-being. I'm your host, Thomas Sweitzer. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that affects many women itching in the vagina after sex. We'll explore 10 important factors you should know about this issue and how to address it. 1. Understanding vaginal itching. Vaginal itching after sex can be caused by a variety of factors, including irritation, allergies, infections, and hormonal changes. It's important to understand the underlying cause to determine the appropriate treatment. 2. Friction and irritation. One common cause of vaginal itching after sex is friction and irritation. This can occur if there isn't enough lubrication during intercourse or if there is excessive rubbing of the vaginal walls. Using a lubricant can help reduce friction and prevent itching. 3. Allergic reactions. Some women may experience allergic reactions to condoms, spermicides, or lubricants used during sex. These reactions can cause itching, redness, and swelling in the vaginal area. Identifying and avoiding the allergen is key to preventing further irritation. 4. Yeast infections. Yeast infections can also cause itching in the vagina. These infections are caused by an overgrowth of yeast in the vagina, often due to a weakened immune system or hormonal changes. Antifungal medications are typically used to treat yeast infections. 5. Bacterial vaginosis. Bacterial vaginosis BV is another common cause of vaginal itching. It occurs when there is an imbalance in the bacteria that normally live in the vagina. Antibiotics are usually prescribed to treat BV and restore the balance of bacteria. 6. Sexually transmitted infections. Sexually transmitted infections, such as trichomoniasis, chlamydia, and gonorrhea can also cause vaginal itching. These infections require prompt treatment with antibiotics to prevent further complications. 7. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes, such as those during pregnancy or menopause, can also lead to vaginal itching. These changes can affect the pH balance of the vagina, making it more susceptible to infections and irritation. 8. Hygiene practices. Proper hygiene practices, such as washing the genital area with mild soap and water, can help prevent vaginal itching. Avoiding harsh soaps, douching, and wearing tight-fitting clothing can also help reduce irritation. 9. Psychological factors. Psychological factors such as stress or anxiety can also contribute to vaginal itching. Practicing relaxation techniques such as yoga or meditation can help reduce stress and improve overall vaginal health. 10. When to see a doctor. If you experience persistent itching in the vagina after sex, it's important to see a doctor. They can determine the underlying cause of the itching and recommend appropriate treatment. That wraps up today's episode of Bedroom Betterment. I hope you found these 10 factors about itching in the vagina after sex informative and helpful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes, feel free to reach out. Remember, your sexual health is important, and it's essential to address any concerns you may have. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing to our podcast for more sexual wellness guides and tips. Thank you for listening, and until next time, stay healthy and stay informed. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to follow Bedroom Betterment for more sexual wellness guides and tips. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content. Thank you for listening.